4 million years ago, our ancestors were living in a world that was vastly different from today. The climate was warmer, the animals were more diverse, and the plants were more abundant. But what kind of diet did our ancestors eat during this time? What foods did they rely on to survive? And how did their diet compare to the diets of other animals? In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of our ancestors' diet 4 million years ago. Join us as we uncover the secrets of what they ate, where it came from, and how it helped them survive in a world that was both challenging and full of opportunities. Our ancestors, the hominins, are an extinct group of primates that includes modern humans and their immediate ancestors. They first appeared in Africa about 6 million years ago and quickly spread to other parts of the Old World. Hominins are characterized by a number of skeletal features, including a bipedal gait, a relatively flat face, and a large brain. But what did these ancient creatures eat? Surprisingly, recent research suggests that early hominins had a remarkable ability to adapt to different environments and diets. One of the most significant dietary shifts occurred around 4 million years ago when hominins began to exploit new food sources. Prior to this time, hominins were primarily frugivores, meaning they ate mostly fruit. However, around 4 million years ago, they started eating more leaves, buds, and soft wood. This shift in diet was likely driven by a combination of factors, including changes in the environment and the evolution of new behaviors and technologies. One theory is that as forests became more fragmented, hominins were forced to travel long distances to find new food sources. This would have exposed them to a wider variety of plants and animals and would have required them to be more flexible in their eating habits. Another theory is that the evolution of new tools allowed hominins to access new food sources. For example, hominins may have started using sticks and stones to crack open nuts or dig for tubers, which would have opened up a whole new world of potential foods. Whatever the reasons for this dietary shift, the change itself was remarkable. Hominins went from being primarily fruit eaters to being more omnivorous, eating a wide variety of plant-based foods. This shift in diet may have played a role in the evolution of the human brain, which is one of the largest in the animal kingdom. But what does this mean for us today? By understanding the dietary habits of our ancestors, we can learn more about our own evolution and the factors that have shaped modern human behavior. It also gives us a fascinating glimpse into the past and the incredible journey that brought us to where we are today. So, what exactly did our ancestors eat 4 million years ago? Unfortunately, there is no single answer to this question, as the diet of our ancestors varied widely depending on their location, the time of year, and other factors. However, we can get an idea of what they ate by studying the plants and animals that were available to them and by looking at the teeth and digestive systems of hominins. Teeth tell us a lot about an animal's diet. The shape and size of the teeth can provide clues as to what kind of foods they were used for. For example, hominins had teeth that were well suited for grinding and chewing, which suggests that they ate foods that required a lot of chewing, such as tough plants. Another way to learn about the diet of our ancestors is to study the isotopes in their bones. Isotope analysis can reveal the types of plants that a person or animal consumed, as different plants have different isotope signatures. For example, plants that absorb a lot of carbon from the atmosphere have a higher ratio of carbon-13 to carbon-12 atoms in their tissues. By analyzing the isotopes in the bones of our ancestors, scientists have been able to reconstruct their diets in detail. Overall, the evidence suggests that the diet of our ancestors 4 million years ago was diverse and varied widely depending on their location and the time of year. They ate a mix of fruits, leaves, buds, softwood, and likely other foods as well. This diet was not only nutritious but also sustainable, and helped our ancestors thrive in a variety of environments. Understanding the diet of our ancestors is essential to understanding our own evolution and the factors that have shaped modern human behavior. It also gives us a fascinating glimpse into the past and the incredible journey that brought us to where we are today. So keep exploring the world of our ancestors and discovering the secrets of their survival. You never know what amazing discoveries await. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content.